Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to start our first lecture of biology, and that is properties of living things. But before we discuss properties of living things, there are three questions about life. What are those three questions? We will discuss it later. Before it, we define biology. Biology is a branch of science in which we discuss study of living things. The word biology is made up of two Greek words, bios. Biology is made up of two Greek words, one bios and the other logos. Bios means living and logos means to study. It means it is the study of living. Biology is a branch of science in which we study living things. So, literal meaning of biology is the study of life. There are three questions about life. What are those three questions? One, what is the meaning of life? What is the meaning of life? Second, why should there be life? And third, how life works. Out of these three questions, the first two questions, what is the meaning of life and why should there be life? These are the questions which are not discussed by the biologists. These are taken up by the philosophers and theologians. Theologians mean religious scholars. Like that of ulama, pandits, and so on. But the third question, how life works, this question is taken up by the biologists. And now we come to the properties of living things. There are certain properties which are shown by the living organisms. They are not present in the non-living things. First property, living things are made up of cells. So, when we say that living things are made up of cells, then we will define cell. What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all living organisms. Cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all living organisms. यानी सेल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म में साख की और काम की बुनियादी इकाई है. Second property of living things. Living things have their genetic program. Genetic program. It means they have genetic material in the form of DNA. Living things acquire energy and then use energy and perform work. We are living things. We use energy in the form of food and then we perform different tasks, different works. Number 4. Living things can reproduce. It means they can increase their population. From one living organism, many living organisms are produced. So it is the property of living things. Living things respond to change. Respond to changes in the environment. What is the environment? Surrounding of the living organism is environment. If there is any change in the outside environment, बाहर अगर किसी तरह की change हो, then living things they respond, they react to those changes. Living things, as we said that living things are made up of cells. Those living things which are made up of one cell, they are unicellular. For example, amoeba, paramecium, etc. And those living organisms, for example, human beings and other living organisms, most of the other living organisms, they are made up of many cells. They are multicellular. Living things are complex, highly complex. Living things are highly complex. Living things, some of the living things they can move, while some of the living things they cannot move. For example, most of the animals they can move, so they are mobile. While some of the living organisms, for example, plants, they are fixed. They are made up of cells. They are living, but they are fixed. They cannot move. They are complex, they are highly complex organisms. And in the living organisms, all the time, metabolic reaction take place. Can chemical reactions. Which are named as metabolic reactions. Take place all the time. Those metabolic reactions may be constructive processes or destructive processes, and they are played. Both these processes, constructive process means anabolic reactions or constructive processes, catabolic reactions or destructive processes. Both are taking place at the same time. So we can say that chemical reactions are always taking place in all the living cells of the living body. And so these were some of the main properties of the living things. Now we come to the major fields of biology. Major fields या specializations of biology. In other words, branches of biology have been divided into two major branches. One of the branch of biology is zoology and the other is botany. Zoology is the study of animals, while botany is the study of plants. In addition to these two major branches of biology, there are many other branches of biology. One, that is morphology. Morph means shape or structure. So morphology branch of biology in which we study the form or shape, shakal of the living organisms. Morphology again is of two types: external morphology and internal morphology. External morphology means the external shape of the living organisms. Internal morphology is also named as anatomy. किसी भी living organism को उसका ऑपरेशन करना अंदरूनी आधार पर करना. So anatomy and internal morphology is the study of internal organs. Internal organs of the living organisms. How internal organs of the living organisms are studied? By dissecting the organism का ऑपरेशन करते हैं. For example, study of anatomy of eye. आंख का ऑपरेशन करते हैं. आंख के अंदरूनी टिश्यू का मुताला करता है. Physiology. Physiology is study of function of different organs of the living organisms and different systems of the living organisms. ये ऑर्गेनिज्म के मुख्तलिफ आधा और मुख्तलिफ सिस्टम किस तरह से काम करते हैं, इसे हम फिजियोलॉजी कहते हैं. इकोलॉजी या एनवायरमेंटल बायोलॉजी इकोलॉजी दो अल्फाज से बना, टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स ओइकस एंड लागस. लागस मीन्स वो स्टडी एंड ओइकस मीन्स होम या हाउस. It means it is study of home या house, लेकिन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का होम या हाउस क्या है? Environment. So, ecology is branch of biology in which we study a relationship of living organisms with their environment. कि लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का उनके माहौल के साथ क्या ताल्लुक है, क्यों? There is some sort of give and take relationship between the living organisms and their environment. कुछ चीजें लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म एनवायरमेंट हासिल करते हैं, कुछ देते हैं एनवायरमेंट. So, ecology is branch of biology in which we study the relationship लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का ताल्लुक किस चीज के साथ, with their environment, माहौल के साथ. So, this is ecology.